What's inside your sofa cushion may shock you. And I'm not talking about bed bugs. This is what the furniture industry really doesn't want to tell you. Your sofa could have cheap or second-rate foam that breaks down or gets lumpy in a year or two. There goes your comfy sofa. A lot of people only really focus on what a sofa looks like. You know, its color, fabric, nail head size, other accessories, but they forget how they will be using the sofa and how long it needs to last in their home. But here's the secret behind an ideal sofa. You want your sofa to be a premium spring-down cushion with level 2 foam surrounding a spring core, in which that is wrapped in feathers and down and then sewn into a down-proof ticking. This right here is a sample of some quality foam. Look how thick this is on the sides. So I'll tell you what, here at MCCREERY'S, you can get that ideal sofa cushion quality while also being able to care and customize what your sofa looks like. Customize an armchair, love seat, sofa, or sectional to your heart's content. You can even choose your cushion firmness. So firm, which is made entirely of foam, as you can see right here. You can also choose medium. This one's like a sandwich. So the bread is the foam core, kind of like right here, and then the meat of the sandwich is a layer of springs in the middle, which you can see right here in the center. And lastly, the third option you kind of have is soft, which has a lower compression foam that has more give. So you sink in rather than just sitting on it. This one's thicker, yeah. And here's a bonus little tip. Always rotate and flip all of the cushions on your couch. This is especially essential if you have a favorite corner of your couch. I also mean to flip the back of your couch as well. And that was the secret to what could be inside your sofa cushions. What will be inside your next sofa? I don't know. Get started customizing at www.mccreerys.com.